The Fundability system makes it easy to get money to start and grow your business, even if you've struggled in the past to get approved. With Fundability, you're able to access credit that any business can qualify for. Plus, you can access loans and credit lines based on your business strengths. Regardless of how long you've been in business or the industry you're in, you can get financing to grow. No matter your cash flow, collateral, or consumer credit quality, you can qualify for financing. The Fundability system shows you all the business credit lines you pre-qualify for now, with even more available as you continue to improve your Fundability score and build your business credit. Plus, the Fundability system only shows you accounts you're matched with now, so you're not wasting time applying for accounts you don't yet qualify for. Through the Business Credit Builder, you can access credit with retailers, fuel and fleet credit, auto financing, and universal credit, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, and many sources you can get approved for without a personal guarantee or consumer credit check. The Funding Explorer feature even shows you the fundability requirements of each lender and the fundability factors you've met to obtain each type of financing. Once matched, in a couple of clicks, you can easily apply for funding and quickly get approved. You can even see strengthening factors. These are things you can do to qualify for higher approval amounts and better rates and terms. Funding Explorer also shows you financing programs you don't yet qualify for, why you don't qualify, and exactly what to fix to get approved. Get access to all the cutting-edge financing features in the Fundability system today for the easiest and fastest way to get money to start and grow your business.